Hey guys, I just want to show that I'm not getting 25% commission and some other features, and I also want to show you what my customers are seeing and what I'm giving them, why I need 25%, and if there's a better solution for what currently is happening, it would be great too. So I'm looking at my transaction history. I had a chat with Sound Arya, sorry if I got your name wrong, on the 10th of December, saying I was going to be up to 25% commission. The reason I looked at it today is because somebody's just upgraded a license, 13.55 eligible, and my amount's $2, 15%. Somebody's just renewed, $90, $13, 225, 33. So back all the way to the 10th of December when it was supposed to be upgraded. So I've obviously lost money on all of these transactions that are supposed to be paying out at 25%. The reason I'm pushing it a little bit annoyed is that I've got people signing up for Zoho One. So I've got there three, four. I've got four, five Zoho One trials and one on the EU site, almost ready to expire or to convert over. Another one here today actually. So this one goes today. If he converts, there's another one on the other site that goes today, and obviously I want 25%. The reason I want 25% is because of what I'm doing for these people for free or included on their Zoho One sign up. So at the moment, when they sign up, firstly, it would be cool if this synced better with Zoho CRM. At the minute, all these people are just going into my Zoho as leads, right? They just turn up in leads. There's no information. I'm going to show you in the sign up form. So I get leads here. Let me go. In fact, I converted this guy. Contacts. It was like 88 something. It was the sign up was there. Wasn't it? 88 consulting. Was this person? 88 Dill Milk. Don't know who he is. Got an email address. So I've got to email and say, sorry, who are you? Because you'll see here, it's this person signed up for Zoho One free plan. If I click on it, no real information. It's got a Gmail address and a company name, or I guess that's the portal. So it'd be cool if there was a better solution to syncing it to Zoho CRM with a bit more information than there currently is. So this is what happens. I'm telling people to go to z1trial.com, and then I'm offering them full Zoho training, a Zoho Connect portal, which I asked Soundjara about 25th of January, no reply. Asking, I'm going to show you it in a minute if you can upgrade it for me. So this is where they come to. There's your Zoho One. So I'm going to put some videos, some more information, and they go here, start your free trial, and they go to this ugly looking portal, sign up, welcome. It just says portal name, email address, and password. You're not even asking them for a name. So when it's signed up on the partner, I don't know who they are. I know you're probably saying I should be talking to them first and going to them. Whereas here's what I think should happen, or my first request, maybe for me alone, after you see what I'm about to do for all Zoho One customers, is obviously people will go to Zoho.com one, and as an affiliate referral marketer, all I really want to do is put referral equals happy me or something. That's how most referrals work. Then they go to your nice pretty page instead of my ugly page. And then when they I'm logged in, right? Let's sign out. When they sign up on your form, you're asking for full name, company name, number of employees, phone number, email, password, and then some tick boxes. Whereas on my portal, it's very basic and ugly, isn't it? So really, what I want, or what I'm saying is there not a way of you guys making? I mean, I would personally, as your partner program, make it that people could go, a referral code, and then you tag where the referrals come from, or when you see a little bit further on what I'm going to do for people for free or included is copy this page and make it zoho.com/Zoho One trial or Paul Nicholson, and give me a copied page that you track like this. Reason is, this is what I'm doing. So when people sign up with me, I'm going to have on my website, I've just refreshed my cookies, so it's not going to pick it up, right? I'm going to have full training on my website. Here's the Zoho One Club. It's everything included. Eventually, there's going to be every single Zoho app. There's going to be a Zoho Connect social network, but then there's going to be training for every single app, and it's going to be all included. If they're a partner with me in Zoho One, they're going to get every single Zoho app training program. Obviously, I've not done them all yet. What they've also got is this Zoho forum, where again we're going to be talking about every single Zoho app. We're going to do a discussion on every single Zoho app. Again, they're not paying anything at this point. It's all included on their plan. And finally, inside my Zoho Connect, which is what I asked Soundjara to upgrade the other day, is I'm going to have a private area for people talking about Zoho One, right? So everybody coming in is going to be able to ask questions. I'm going to have bonuses for people signing up. So my deal for people on signing up for Zoho One will include some bonuses that I'm going to throw in on top of it all. So they're going to get Zoho One. They're going to get full training, a full training private Zoho Connect platform. You'll see if I go to people, there's already, I don't know, what's that, 4, 8, 12, 14 people in there. There's 30 pending invites. It says, obviously I want to put a group for everything, but on this plan I'm going to get limited groups. I don't know how many I'm allowed, but eventually I'm going to not be able to have a group for every single Zoho app. And I want to make it so it's got a subdomain, unlimited groups, unlimited tasks, unlimited manuals, unlimited companies, permission, custom domain and styles. So free for 25 users. So I'm going to bump into a thing for that as well. Obviously I've got the enterprise version, but I can't on the internal one. I'm a one-man band. The internal one's a pointless app for somebody who works on their own. I've got the enterprise level there, but not here. So it would be cool. 25% commission's a must, because I'm giving all this stuff away, included on the fact that I'm going to convert them from a one to a paid plan. A better sign-up form would be great. Integrating this better with Zoho CRM. There's a lot of pointless tabs on this thing, and it's, you go to commissions, you go here. Oh, it's painful getting it to pay out. They finally paid something out. Cabin Pros, it should be telling me this is paying out, but what they've paid, it just says $2. It's like, I can't seem to get the page. I realise this transaction history tells me, but anyway, I'm not really bothered about your portal. But 25% commission is what I need. As I really drive this forward, I'm going to start a podcast on Zoho One apps and stuff. And then, like I say, I'm offering massive value for people that are signing up. So it'd be really cool to have a better looking sign up form, or some sort of information that looks a little bit better than this thing. When this one looks so nice and slick, and so anything you can do for me, it would be appreciated. But first and foremost, 25% commission needs to be done. And going back to the 12th of December is when we agreed that my commission was going to go up, and it's now the 8th of February, 2 months later. Cheers, guys.